Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio grinder and Pasquini Livia 90. Let's go ahead and just grind a little bit of coffee. Looks good, nice and fine. And then we ground the coffee and we use it in the machine. So let's go ahead and test the machine. You get a nice shot of espresso with good crema. Test the steam. Works well. It's hot. Test the hot water. Works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.